So I'm in Streamlabs dashboard. I'm in CloudBot on the left hand side. And so what I'm actually doing is I'm gonna go set up a command, a timer command. So what these are, they are basically just text that can repeat every so often inside chat. And there's two real factors that determine how often it gets shown. One is the interval, and this says how many minutes apart should this chat command be posted. And the other is what is the minimum number of lines that have to be in chat before it goes off. And when I first started messing with this, I thought it meant since the last time you posted it, but it really just means overall. So where I have like 5, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 10, it means as soon as I get five lines in chat, and there's already 2 lines in chat, thank you Lightning Fox, then these will just happen as often as you see the intervals here. So what I want to do is I want to create a timer. I'm doing this so you can look at me, but you're just looking at the screen. I'm going to create a timer to basically spam the donation link and put it on some sort of interval. Now I'm going to set it to something quick, because when we stream again next on the 25th, there probably once again will be 50 to 500 people in chat. And so if people are talking a lot, it will get very quickly lost. So I'm probably going to set it to like I'll set it to 3 minutes. And if that's not frequent enough, we can change it. But let me do that. And before I get into that, let me grab the link. This is the link here. Right. And so I'm going to go back into timers. I'm going to hit add timer. I'm going to give it a name, just donate. And this is what it's going to type. Bring that over. The interval is going to be every, say, 3 minutes. The line minimum, again, line minimum won't matter. I'm going to hit save. And that's literally, that's all you have to do. So you can see it on the bottom here, and it's enabled. If I wanted to edit it, just click the pencil, just like anything else, you just edit it. But that's all you have to do. So now all of these are already going to post in chat. So this will be the new one that I will post every 3 minutes, and I will change that if I need to.